Google Pixel Buds smart headphones can get new enhancements that include customizable gesture controls according to code analysis in the latest beta version of the Google application. There are new potential personalizations to play twice on the right earpiece that has a touch sensor, new functions for the triple touch, and also a detection function in the ear that can stop the music when the right earphone is removed. Currently, pressing the right earpiece twice allows you to listen to notifications or stop the Google Assistant. The code reveals a possible new option to personalize the gesture to skip songs, a feature that is frustratingly lacking, as we noted in our review. The triple tapping would allow users to manually turn the headphones on and off, which would be useful, since there is no way to turn off the headphones until they are put back in the case. According to the code, the ear detection mode places the headphones in sleep mode when the right earphone is removed, and wakes them up again when you put it back on. The code mimics Apple's AirPods that already have customizable faucets and automatic ear detection. Pixel Buds currently allow users to reject or answer calls, activate the Google Assistant and control volume and audio playback with gestures. There is no indication of when or if these new features will be available, since the code is still in beta and could be removed before the next version of the application.